ever see. If I hop in the foreign and drive like a race. We sipping the Henny, I don't need a chase. We dodging the feds and catching no case. I stay in the trap, get racks every day. She fuck with me now, I told her so.
Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, man. We're going up. Welcome back to another video. It's your boy TJ. I'm back again with a brand new video, man. So we caught him life on the way. He caught us on the freeway. He seen us driving. He just gonna drive crazy. Like, he don't know who he is, but you know, him like trying to fly past us. This man trying to fly past us. You was fly passing us and stuff.
Bro, where y'all was going?
We was coming here.
Oh, y'all was?
Y'all came here.
We just pulled up on. Hey, bro.
Look. Bro, yeah, bro. Bro, I got scared.
I know, bro. That's because I think it was a car kind of next to me. So I was trying not to get all the way up on.
Bro, you seen that truck?
So I looked back. I was like, oh,
like that.
I know, bro.
Oh my God, bro.
I seen it, but I was blocking.
I didn't see that.
Right, bro. He like almost hit the truck.
That's why you slow down like that?
Who?
You. That's why you slow down like that, so he won't go hit.
Yeah.
Yeah, he would've. Then him right here, bro. Good, you got over too.
Bro,
I didn't see it.
I saw the truck and I was like, bro, I know that didn't come out of nowhere.
Bro, I'm glad nobody hit that truck. You seen that?
Yeah.
I got
Bro, that shit
scared.
scared shit out of me, especially when I was behind you. I was like, oh.
I got scared.
I saw you. I was like,
I got scared for him.
I was like, bro, please, man, please see me. Did I put my
seen
flashlights?
Yeah, because I seen you.
I put my hazard lights on. I'm like, y'all stop. Hey.
Yeah, I saw that shit. I'm like, oh, wait.
Is that his car right there? Hey. Hey, look.
I don't know you can see me.
This is what I was talking about, black son. He said, ho, ho, ho. That's what I was talking about. What's going on, man?
You good?
Yeah, you? Wait, his car. I feel like... I don't know. You got a cam in your car? Yeah, he ran out of gas. He thought he had a cam on his...
Golly.
He ain't supposed to sound like that.
I was gonna say, that was talking, boy.
What you got to say?
He done ran it out of gas. But it's crazy how y'all met up with us. We got there the same exact time.
Hey, I seen 14K. I
14K?
His car.
I'm like, who is this coming up with these purple lights behind us?
We was already getting down through there anyway.
They came out of nowhere and started coming smashing.
Hey, we was getting down through there already. And when I seen all them cars, I was like, oh yeah, we can get on it on.
That's crazy.
How you doing?
Hey, dude, and he done ran out of gas. Man, it's like, he brung it to the shop with no gas.
This thing's a gas station right next door.
But who drops their car off with no gas?
That's Mazi.
Why you drop it off with no gas?
Right here, my corner week, bro.
That's crazy. It do look good. Oh, the hood black too.
Hood black.
Dang, Mazi. Dang. Oh, I didn't even notice that. That's clean.
Yeah.
Bro, everybody doing chrome. Hey.
Yeah, I ain't seen the problem.
Everybody getting chrome now. Sorry about the window. Hey, man. What's up, man?
How you doing, bro? Oh, I'm sorry about that.
Oh, I'm sorry about this wind noise, y'all. I know you don't hear that. But you know what you had told me? I guess we was ahead of y'all. We was way up farther than them. We seen them coming up behind us.
I just pulled up.
They was fetching us.
They was going too fast. I told y'all to wait on me, brother.
You done left him?
How y'all left me, man?
You forgot he had the truck?
I'm trying to catch it. I'm trying to catch it. It was over with, though. But, man, hey, I done kept y'all waiting too long.
So, James.
Ooh. Oh, so it glows in the dark, huh?
Yeah, that's hard.
The whole thing.
Yes, sir. Dang.
Relax at nighttime when the lights hit you.
Dang, Mazi. Did you just give them the colors or what?
I picked them coats.
You just told him to do something? Throw something on there? That's crazy. Dang. That's crazy. So you got a Hellcat symbol right there. Hellcat symbol right here. Let me get out your video, man. Hellcat right there. Man. Hey, Richie. That's crazy how they caught up with us. Yeah. Cause they said that's crazy how they caught up with us. They said they on the way. I'm like, dang.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I was like, bro.
I'm like, who is this with the purple light? I thought it was you for us. I look back, it's blue.
Yeah. I was like, what the hell?
I'm like, dang.
And then I saw Rich behind. I was like, oh yeah.
I seen the blue behind. I thought she was
Huh?
Yeah. But we don't want to.
What's your name, bro?
Hey. Like I tell you, man. Y'all gotta catch up, bro. We still don't. I don't see you. We don't see you, bro. Where you at? Where y'all at, bro? You gotta get it.
Why you keep saying you sold your car to A to Z?
I sold my car to Jay, bro.
You didn't sell it to no Jay? If you wanted to charge it, he would have got a Hellcat probably, brother.
He liked the 4Gs,
man. He would just bought the 4Gs off your car.
No, bro, he wanted the whole car. He liked it, bro.
Wait, he wanted the whole car, so he gave him.
I sold it to him.
Sorry about this wind though. We got Hemi Life in there.
It's gone.
Well,
Guess we gotta play the scene, the theme song.
I'm gonna go ahead and get my thumbnail, man.
I'm sorry. Listen, bro. It's a pandemic.
Picked up the car, ran out of gas. That's crazy. That's crazy, Mazi.
Niggas out of gas?
You didn't know that? It sounded like his car was cammed at first, and then it finally cut off.
Niggas out of gas?
Watch out.
Oh, man. Good thumbnail, though.
Look, he ain't not. Look, he trying to put it. He don't even know what he doing.
Big old thumbnail.
You gotta get down in there, bro.
No, wait, all the click and it push.
Yeah, like that, yeah. Wait.
You're supposed to click down in there.
Where Jay?
That's not even open.
Where Jay go? Oh, yeah, how we work this?
Hey, check your trunk. You might have a little photo.
He do.
I'll check your trunk.
Come on, brother. Up under that thing, brother. The little clear thing.
They got a shirt.
That, yeah, sir.
I know it's that when I take my trunk apart.
Huh?
Drop
got the funnel in there?
Yes, sir.
He trying to figure out how to take it off now.
Yeah, take it off right there.
Don't break it, brother.
I know it's that when I take my trunk apart because
Now, yes, sir.
his battery. We still don't know how to get in. I had to give him a new battery.
Now, just is it in?
Hey.
No, they two. It's two.
Right. That's supposed to push against this, ain't it?
Make sure that thing straight.
What?
Push it in.
You talking about this?
Someone made Rich. Hey, Rich said he ran out gas before. Hey, Rich is trying to show you, Mazi. He said you got something wrong on the tank. I mean, on the wheel.
I probably do what's wrong with it, bro.
It should be open like this.
Yeah.
You might need to hold it.
That's on here. On this.
This gotta be
You gotta push it.
Yeah, they gotta push it so it can open it.
Nah, it push when you put it in the bag.
This holds it, right?
I think so.
This thing kind of holds it.
Yeah, you gotta wait till it get dark.
Yeah, hold on. Let me see that.
You sure you got this on tight?
But don't the silver thing gotta open?
Alright.
And then, that's gonna. There you go.
God damn, man.
Hey, Rich.
Is it going up?
Oh, man.
Oh yeah, I do hear it. Yeah.
Hey, I'm getting gas, brother. I ain't ran out of gas one time, bro. I ran out of gas one time, brother. We had the automatic Joe, we had the regular Joe.
First time for everything.
Yes, sir. I'm learning something. Hey, I learned something today.
You learned something new?
I learned something today. How to pump gas.
No, I mean that because it's my car. Yes.
Oh,
Oh, drip check. Are you doing drip?
No.
He ain't doing drip check.
Y'all be slipping. I'm slipping too.
Oh, this wind, my goodness.
Oh, bad day, brother. I'm hurting my neck. I got the flames though, man.
He got left.
No, I'm gonna let y'all know. I let y'all blow those off me this time. That ain't gonna happen again though, bro. I let y'all have it.
$200 credit card.
Throw it up, see 5 gallons. What's that? That's 1 gallon,
Man, start the car, brother. The babies.
You can get your brand new car. It's a bike back right there.
We going to talk. She taking me to WB.
They don't.
1 hour later.
Now y'all can see the reflective. Man, this man here. Now you can see the reflective. Now you can see the reflective on here. You gotta stand back. Oh, it's too much light, probably.
Okay, y'all. It's reflective.
I can kind of see it.
I don't know if y'all can see it.
I'm gonna go to the other side.
Yeah, maybe
There's a lot of light coming from his shop.
okay, yeah, we can see it good now.
Oh no.
Oh, yeah. That's impressive.
You have to see that at an angle. That's crazy.
You know what I'm saying? Somebody got us.
Gas it, gas it. Yeah, hey, don't.
It ain't go crazy.
You need to put more than that. Boy, gonna mess up his starter. You better cut that off.
I need more gas.
You need 2 gallons, man. You can't put in the drink. You gotta scoot in grease off and all that.
It look good, these ones. Tell Jay I need that thing again, bro. Yeah, he needs the force. He needs the fuck you mean. They gonna start. I gotta get some more gas. It ain't have no gas. Damn. How you gonna drop it off with no gas, bro?
Alright, you guys, if y'all enjoyed it, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe for more. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.